Skeleton hiccups by margery, cuyler, illustrated by schindler. Skeleton woke up, had a hiccups. Took a shower, brushed his teeth. Polishing his buns. Carved a pumpkin. Raked some leaves. Played with a ghost.
Hey, catch the ball!
Ghost told skeleton.
Hold your breath. Eat some sugar. Press your fingers over your eyeballs. Drink some water upside down.
Ghost made a face. Said "Moo" to skeleton. But nothing worked. The hiccups stayed. Then Ghost got smart. Oh, found a mirror. Held it up.
Hey, look at this.
Skeleton screamed. The hiccups laughed. They jumped away. Hooray! Skeleton hiccups